Alright, I just finished up my sander. As you can see, it's made of skateboard wheels. Some cheap skateboard wheels. I bought a $30 skateboard from Walmart. This is a Grizzly 87760 combo grinder and the belt sander. It was a 2x27. This is a horrible belt sander. My dad bought it for me, and I thank him for buying it for me. But we didn't know what we was getting into when we got it. We thought it had good reviews, so we thought we was getting something good. But the belts are hard to find, and when you find them, you find them on Amazon, but they're expensive. And they're only aluminum oxidized belts, and if you know anything about belts, they don't last long. So, needless to say, it vibrates. It's horrible. Designed, I don't like it. So, it finally just kept on messing up, and I tore it apart. And this is what I built. Designed it to take a 2x42, I believe what it is. So, and it's by tension. So, a lot better. As you can see, it runs straight. I can as an adjuster, has a back plate to sand with, to sand up against. This is 3/16 steel plate. You are going to need these bolts that hold this plate on. If you do this, make sure you get grade 8 bolts that will hold this on. And what I used were, I think, M5-80 times 2 class 8 bolts. So that's what I used for this, and I put a lock nut behind it, so it helped keep it on there. And I used all the bolts are grade 8 bolts, lock nuts on the wheels, so they will not come off. But 3/16 plate it is. I started off with a 12x14 piece. So it is. I got I tore my thing off, laid out the pattern for this. What this is, drilled the holes for this. I got this plate, got this thing. I just laid it on top of it. Got the pattern. And then, now this is let's take this off. I'll show you what it is. Basically what it is a hinge. It is a weldable hinge that you can pick up at it's over here where you can see it. It is a weldable hinge. This is threaded so it can be turned. And I got a washer welded on the top of that bolt. And then this bolt that's sticking through, I welded it to this part of the hinge so that it would hold the wheel. And I could just put the bolt. I've got a lot of washers on this side to help hold the wheel where it needs to be off the hinge, so I could get it lined up through here with the other pulleys. You just have to play with it to get it. So anyway, let's get back. But you could take if it's you got a metal grinder, you could take all your thing off, and I guarantee it has a 3 hole pattern up under there. If it has a 3 hole pattern, you could do this here and it will hold it. I'm gonna build a leg that I can put it on this bolt to stand right here to help support the weight of this right here to help support it. So yeah. But this can slide back and forth. I've got a groove. This can be slid back and forth if I wanted it to, which I doubt it'll ever move. It'll probably stay right there where it's at. I could build a plate across here that I could, but I probably will never want a plate there to rest anything on, because I never have no need for one. I don't anyway. I freehand everything, so. But that is my handmade. Works off a spring, so pretty tight spring. I don't know what the spring is. Can't really tell the writing on it, so, but it's pretty tight. I put the 2 springs on it that I bought, so 2 was in the pack. I put 1 on there. Didn't feel like it was quite tight enough, so I put both of them on it. But I love how that. Oh, sorry about that. Kicking you around. I love how that. I can just change it that quick. Line right up, and you're ready to go. It used to take me 4 or 5 minutes to change the belt out, and that quick. I love it. I love it. I'm so excited. I've sanded on a piece of metal, fooled around with it. I love it, man. I love it. Yes, sir. Look at that thing. That thing gets sanded. Let's see if we can cut the groove. Cut the bevels in this thing. Oh yeah, it's grinding it away. Grinding it away. So, oh yeah. It is just so smooth. What I like about it. No vibration. It's just so smooth. That is hot. But anyway, it works. I'm ready to get in to build something. Alright, thank you for watching. This is Craig with H Forging. Until next time, part 2 will be coming with building a knife. So I had to quit because of the stupid belt grinder messed up on me. So we will be getting into it with this now. So alrighty, thank you for watching. Bye.